Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Edge is current and stable. Open Settings, about Microsoft Edge, and install any updates you see. This fixes recent bugs and performance drains. Next, close background tabs and press Shift plus ESC to open Edge Task Manager. End processes that use lots of memory. Once done, restart Edge and your computer to apply changes and clear temporary locks, because a fresh start often yields the biggest immediate speed gains. You now tackle the middle steps that matter most. Open extensions and disable anything you don't use. Fewer extensions means fewer background tasks. Then go to Privacy, Search, and Services to turn off preloading and background sync. These save CPU and bandwidth. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled only if your GPU helps, otherwise turn it off for stability. Also, prune site permissions to block heavy autoplay and background activity. These changes reduce ongoing load and keep Edge responsive. You finish by cleaning and configuring Edge for steady performance. Clear cached images and cookies selectively to free space without losing critical logins, then enable sleeping tabs and efficiency mode to park inactive pages. Adjust startup settings so Edge opens to a simple home page, not many tabs. For long-term health, periodically repeat these steps. If Edge remains slow after all this, create a new user profile or reinstall the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.